Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install the Fidelity app and link your bank account, full guide step by step clearly. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type Fidelity and tap the search icon. Locate the Fidelity app in the search results and tap on it. Press the Install button to download the app to your device. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. If prompted, allow any necessary permissions for the app to function properly. On the welcome screen, tap on Get Started to begin the registration process. If you already have a Fidelity account, enter your login credentials and proceed. If you are new to Fidelity, select the option to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and social security number. After filling out the necessary details, create a secure password for your new account. Once your account is set up, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. To link your bank account, look for the Link Bank Account option on the dashboard. Tap on it to begin the linking process. You will need to provide the routing number and account number of your bank account. These numbers can typically be found on your checks or through your bank's online portal. After entering the required bank details, review the information for accuracy. Then, tap on Link Account to initiate the connection. Fidelity may send a verification code to your email or phone for security purposes. Enter the verification code when prompted to confirm your bank account. Once verified, you will receive a notification that your bank account has been successfully linked. You are now ready to use the Fidelity app for your investment needs. Explore the various features and tools available within the app for a comprehensive experience. Ensure you log out of your account if using a shared device for enhanced security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.